We're back for Eureka Math Squared, second grade module 6 lesson 7 with me, Mr. Short. Today we're on page 37 and we got something on 38. So let's make sure we pay attention to both sides to get a little bit of help with our homework. All right, number 1 says draw 3 columns of 6. So 3 columns of 6. Columns go which way? Up and down. It says draw a line between each column. Will that help? That'll help us keep it neat. I'm going to do circles. You can do whatever you want. So 3 columns. Here's column 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It says draw a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw another line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. That's what it wanted. So we're done with that one. All right, good job. The lines help keep us nice and neat too. All right, number 2 says draw 3 rows of 6. Draw a line between each row. Okay, rows are the opposite. So if we have columns, you go like this. Look, that would be your rows. Here's what our rows will look like when we go down here, because we drew columns. So just draw it sideways. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job, good job. All right, draw a line between each row. We did that in there. Now it wants us to add. Well, we have 1, 2, 3 spots. We have 1, 2, 3 columns. So we want 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals, what's 6 plus 6 plus 6? 6 and 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. So 3 rows of 6 is 18. 3 columns of 6, same thing. This means times, times. 3 times you see the number 6. 3 times you see the number 6. Still 18. All right. 3 rows of 6. So 3 times you see 6. 3 columns of 6. 3 times you see 6. All right. Those are all just multiplication. They're just saying it with different words. On the back, this is draw an array with 3 rows of 4. Draw a line between them. Between each row, I'm sorry. This one wants you to write the repeated addition. So 3 rows, 1 plus 1 plus this equals, that'll be our 3 rows. Our numbers will go there. All right, this says draw one more row, write the repeated addition. So we'll have 1, 2, there's our 3. One more row. All right, that's all the help I'm giving you on the back. That's all right. It says draw an array with 3 rows. So you should have something here, here, and here. Okay? That's all I'm going to help with. Looks similar. Use that side to help you. All right? It tells you how many rows, 3 rows, so put a 3 here, of how many, and what is it equal to? All right? All right, that was it for me. That was page 37 and 38 for Eureka Math Squared, second grade module 6 lesson 7. Mr. Short, I hope the weather is really nice right now and you can go outside and have some fun and run around, burn off some energy, because that will lead to us having